Hi friends, today we are going to draw this beautiful landscape with pencil. We begin making a window to draw in. This way. Now we begin with the HB pencil to make a quick sketch where to place everything we are going to draw. Remember not to press too hard your pencil against the paper, so you can erase these lines after you do the sketch. Okay, this way away. Could be some trees here, etc. When we draw something, we can make our drawing, a realistic drawing, in two ways. Or beginning with all our drawing in just one part, drawing everything in detail, or in this way. First, the main shapes, placing everything where we want to be, etc. And after that, giving shadows and the final part details. For me, this is the best way to draw something because it gives more vitality, more life to your drawings and even to your paintings. Okay, we will use very few pencils in this drawing, drawing of a landscape. Just this HB, a 4B pencil, a 2H pencil, and a 6B pencil. These will be the pencils, and remember all materials are listed in the description of this video. If you don't know, I have another channel with videos in Spanish of drawing and painting. Its name is Arte, Vivo y Divertido, and the link is in the description of this video if you wish to visit it. Okay, just flat, almost flat our pencil this way to give the first shadows, the first staining the paper with graphite, because we are going to blur almost all of this with this tool, a blending stamp. Very carefully, with softly, we blur with this blending stamp, blur the graphite we put before with the HB pencil, this way. Okay. We have our first layer of shadows, and with the sharp point of an eraser, a regular eraser, we recover these places where all details will be, like trees, where will be rocks, etc. Now, don't be afraid to use erasers. Erasers are a tool just like pencils, and they are very useful to recover lights, to give effects. Okay, this is a brush, a white brush, and it is the best way to give away the smears of the eraser. Okay, I am choosing my pencil. This is a box. Okay, a 4B pencil. I put my hand over a sheet of paper, okay, to not blur with my hand accidentally the drawing. And we draw in this way. As you see, this tutorial is very visual. Well, as all my tutorials are very visual, all of them, and most of them you can draw all these tutorials or paint all those tutorials without sound without hearing my voice. But I hope this is a good thing, because not everyone can see the tutorials with audio. So you can draw and make a tutorial of mine without any sound, or you can put your own music, etc. Now we're just circles. We are suggesting. There are vegetables, there are trees, there are plants and trees there, just with lines, circles, etc. This is the beauty of drawing. The beauty is suggest things. Make the viewer think that there is something there. And landscapes are the best of the best of the drawings we can make to practice suggesting things. Now, and remember, not everything must be sharp and in your drawing, but these trees must be very sharp. They are in the first place. They are our subject, our target. Okay, some grasses here. And we almost are giving reality and deepness to our drawing. Okay, now I let you at your own pace to draw this tutorial. Remember, every Monday you'll have a new drawing or painting tutorial in this. Most of my tutorials are of drawing, but I upload sometimes the painting. And I could ask you, what tutorials do you like more, drawing or painting? Okay, I thank you if you tell me in the comments lines what tutorials do you like I upload more, drawing or painting, and what themes. Okay, some grasses here surrounding this path and the rocks. Okay, deepness. There is a mysterious forest behind this. Okay, now I leave you at your own pace. See you soon. Be very happy, draw a lot, and see you next Monday. Ciao.